And next, welcome to the stage, Tinghui.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tinghui. I'm co-founder and CEO of Human.ai. Very excited today to share with you about recent progress in deep learning for rendering, and particularly in the context of virtual beings. So in 2012, the field of computer vision experienced a revolution with the arrival of deep learning. So the traditional multi-stage pipeline that involves very heavy handcrafting is now replaced with end-to-end trained neural networks. So system deep learning has dominated classic computer vision tasks like ImageNet classification, object detection, human pose estimation, and so forth. And then people start to wonder if the same revolution could happen to graphics too, where the traditional pipeline also involves multiple stages of very intensive hand tuning. So the first obvious thing to try is to invert the network so that the labels become the input to the system and images become the output. However, this did not work at all. And turns out generating images is a much harder problem than recognition. So for a long time, what deep networks can generate is low-resolution MNIST digits, which is not very exciting. And then in 2014, Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues published the seminal paper, Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs. I'm not going to dive into the details of GANs, but all you need to know is that it's a special type of deep network that is very good at generative problems. And since its invention in 2014, GAN's rate of progress in generation has been simply remarkable. From black and white low resolution faces in 2014 to high resolution colorful photorealistic images in 2018. So here's a short clip of face images generated by StyleGAN out of NVIDIA. So unless you're an expert in spotting GAN artifacts, I would say these samples are indistinguishable from real photos. And naturally, similar techniques have been extended to videos to drive hand motions and facial expressions. Here, the input for the source and target subjects are both videos. And it's pretty remarkable how detailed and temporally coherent the output could be on the right. And more recently, this type of approach has gone to the next level where instead of using videos as the driving source, now you can directly edit the text to edit the video after the shooting. So this work is out of Adobe, Stanford, and Princeton, and it's going to appear in SIGGRAPH next week. So here's an example.
The market closed today with Apple's stock price at $191.45 per share.
Here we replace 91.4 with 82.2.
Okay. The market closed today with Apple's stock price at $182.25 per share.
Pretty cool. And also, we might no longer need a full video of the target character. It's not possible to do animation just from a single photo. So this is a recent work from Samsung Research. Okay. And what makes it cooler is that you can not only animate real portraits, but also paintings, as you see here. Okay, so far I've shown you systems for face or portrait generation, and next I would like to show you progress in full body animations, which is the focus of our focus at Human.ai. And some of you might have seen our work from last year, where we map the Mr. Copeland's ballet movements to me and my co-author Caroline. In case you haven't seen, I will show a short clip about it. Obviously, I could not never dance like that. So in high level, what we have is a video in, video out system where we ask the user to film a short footage of them performing motions like walking around, waving arms, kicking legs. And then we train an AI system that takes body pose as input and outputs photorealistic videos of that target subject under different poses. So once that model is trained, and then we extract the body poses from professional dancers, and then pass it through a system to generate the target subject performing those very impressive dance moves. Here's another example output of our system. This recent collaboration we did with a Japanese influencer and one of the best dancers in Tokyo. So the Japanese influencer heard about us and flew into San Francisco on his dime, and I just shoot this music video you are about to see, which got featured by TikTok Japan.
Yeah, I'ma drill something. Where you at, kid? 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 Where you at, kid?
Once again, I gotta remind these Balenciaga. Remember when I couldn't buy these? All them bricks birds, cause we really fly these. Tell your mans I know I'm lit, but don't hide me. I'm solving every single problem with a tool. Super soaker, like he jumping out the pool. If the fans hit the mansion, we gon' make it to the news. Shopper lifting up, I bet he make it.
All right, you get the idea. It's not playing. Okay, obviously there are many ways, many interesting ways to apply our system and other AI-driven rendering solutions. But fundamentally, what we think the key value is in empowering creators to generate digital content in more personalized, scalable, and interactive fashions. And in a way, these efforts can be seen as democratizing content creation to allow more people to make high production value content without requiring resources like light stage, mocap systems, or expertise in rendering software. There's still many challenges for rendering with deep neural networks, but we think the future is promising. Thank you.
Thank you, Tinghui.